Welcome to Aimco, where we help factory workers avoid injury and work smarter by guiding them to the best lifting solution.
Hi, I'm John with Aimco Manufacturing. Today we're going to be looking at one of our gripper tools mounted to one of our torque lifts on an inverted articulating jib crane. This tool features 180 degrees of rotation for inserting the gas meters into a fixture. To begin, you line up the part. You guide the system in just below the lip of the part. Your left jaw will be your fixed jaw and your right jaw is the actuating jaw. You can touch the part off and hit clamp and the part is engaged. You then press up and it has a toggle rotate. Once the part is flipped 180 degrees, it can be inserted into the fixture. Raise the part up to clear the bottom and guide it in until the back ridge fits into the slot for the tool. Once the part is safely set down, you can pull the common trigger and unclamp at the same time to release the part. You then back the fixture out or back the tool out and you're clear. To lift the part back out, it's the same process in reverse. Guide the system in, raise up to avoid the fingers of the fixture, hit the clamp button and it engages the part, then raise up. Once you're clear, you can back out and toggle the rotate for setting down. When the part is in the air, the unclamp is disabled. To drop the part, you do need to pull the common trigger and the unclamp at the same time. So once the part is safely set down, pull the trigger, hit unclamp, and back out away from the part.
And remember, if you need an ergonomic lifting device and don't buy it, you will ultimately pay for it and not have it.